looking out the window, watching the clouds go by. Ang bagal. Flying in an airplane, looking out the window, up so very high. Looking out the window, you can see the wings. Down below, you see other things. Like little tiny buildings and cars so small. It makes me feel like I'm really tall. Oh, we are flying in an airplane, looking out the window, watching the clouds go by. Flying in an airplane, makulay ang buhay. Makulay ang buhay. Andy, you love me. We're one happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Ayun na. One more, Andy. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water's mouth. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Andy, put it down. Put it down. Put it back. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy went up the spout again. Andy, your boat, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Ano bang alam mo saan gusto ni Andy, Beng? No, Andy, kunin mo yun, Beng.
Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yun? Hindi. Yung mga ducks. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. And an ow here and an ow there. Here, there, out there, everywhere. Ow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, when the band begins to play, Andy. Oh, when the band begins to play, I like to march to the music. Oh, when the band begins to play. Ano ba yan? Ano ba naman dalaga to? Andy! Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun sa ducks? Jembeng? Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko maisip.
Di mo ba alam yung Bridge of Love?
Hindi.
Let's be on a Bridge of Love across the sea of fate. Di mo alam yun? Ano ba yan? Sa side.
Yung alam ni Andy. Makulay na naman. Ano ba yung sa ducks? Yung ducks. Three little ducks went out one day. Ayun na nga, kinanta na nga natin yan.
Ano ba yun? Hey, Mr. Knicker.
Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, bopper, bebop. I like it the way that you bopper, bebop. I like it the way that you bopper, bebop with your mouth.
Ay, may sarili akong mundo. Ba't ka ba lang iniilam?
Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, bopper, bebop.
Ano ba yun?
I like it the way...
Chicken noodle soup? Chicken noodle soup? Serious?
Naku, nabaliw na.
Chicken noodle soup?
Andy!
Olive.
Close your mouth.
Olive sira ulo. Olive sira ulo.
Andy, close your mouth, no.